Imtiaz Ali's name is synonymous with heartwarming romances, breathtaking visuals, and characters that resonate with audiences. While the title of Best Director is subjective, Ali's unique style and consistent quality make him a strong contender for the title. Stay with us to witness all the details, but let's first roll the intro. Master of Modern Love. Ali's films capture the complexities of modern love. He explores themes of self-discovery, societal pressures, and unconventional relationships, resonating with a generation yearning for love stories that feel real. Films like Jab We Met and Tamasha showcase his ability to weave relatable narratives with beautiful simplicity. Visually stunning journeys. Ali's movies are visual treats. From the snow-capped mountains of Highway to the bustling streets of Europe in Love Aajkal, he uses landscape to mirror the emotional journeys of his characters. This visual storytelling adds another layer of depth and connection for the audience. Characters with depth. Ali's characters are far from one-dimensional. His protagonists grapple with internal conflicts, societal expectations, and the pursuit of their dreams. Be it Geet's free spirit in Jab We Met or Ved's artistic turmoil in Tamasha, Ali creates characters that stay with viewers long after the credits roll. A touch of social commentary. While romance takes center stage, Ali's films subtly weave in social commentary. He tackles issues like gender roles, Highway, and conflicting career aspirations, Tamasha, without being preachy. This adds another layer of depth and relevance to his stories. Evolving with the times, Ali's filmography showcases his ability to adapt to changing times. From the youthful romance of Jab We Met to the more mature explorations in Tamasha, he has evolved his storytelling while staying true to his signature style. It's important to acknowledge that Imtiaz Ali's films haven't always been universally acclaimed. Some critics argue that his focus on romance overshadows other aspects of filmmaking, and some recent releases haven't lived up to his earlier successes. However, Imtiaz Ali's strengths as a director are undeniable. His ability to capture the essence of modern love, create visually stunning experiences, and develop relatable characters has earned him a loyal fanbase and a place in the conversation for Bollywood's best directors. Please like, share, and subscribe to H&B Hub and comment down below. Thank you.